A very good morning and welcome to one and all. With the blessings of Almighty, today we are there over here for our online lecture, Mathematics and Statistical Techniques. So we were dealing with the commercial mathematics. And commercial mathematics, many of the sums we have started, but we'll be going with the next part. That is, after availing two successive discounts of 20% each, Madhvi paid rupees 64 for a book. Madhvi paid rupees 64 for a book. If she would have got only a discount of 20%, how much additional amount would she have paid? So let the price of a book be rupees X. First discount is of rupees 20% on the price of a book. So let have taken the price X. On that they are issuing 20% discount. So 20% of X. Now what we will do it here, we don't have any of the values, correct? So we'll be multiplying, here it is 100, we'll multiply this by 100. So what is happening over here? 100x minus 20x. So 100 minus 20 कितना हो जाएगा? We'll be getting 80 over here. So 100 minus 20 I'm getting 100 and 20 and rest two both are equal. So after second discount of 20% of the books, okay, how to manage the 20% of the books? So 80 divided by x we got, on that they are allowing the 20%. So 20 divided by 100. Now 100 is same, into 8% they are giving out. So 8 to the 16 divided by 100. So 100 common, 80 minus 6 we are having 16, we are having 64. So we'll be getting the 64 x upon 100. Now Madhvi paid rupees 64 for the books of two consecutive discounts. He is getting continuously two consecutive discounts. So that discounts come under this key, how it has to be managed out. Now 64x is equals to 64. So here it will be, if it is in a numerator and denominator, that will be 100 by 64. 64 goes off. So what will be the value? X. X ka value will be getting over here. That is 100. So if we should have got only the one discount, he should get the box, that is 80x. 80x by 100. So 80, 100 by 100. How much rupees they are going to get? Rupees 80 over here. So finally he would be getting the amount of the value, that is value of amount, that is rupees 80. And in 80 only they are going to manage it out. She would have paid. How much she would have been paid? That is 80 minus 64. So how much she is getting? 16 rupees more over here. So 80 minus 64. 80 minus 64 would be the 16 over here. Madhvi paid rupees 16 more to them. whatever the transactions they were doing out, they have done more to that, whatever they have paid. From that they did more over here. Next, going with the second sub part. The price of a table is 40% more than the price of a chair. By what percentage is the price of chairs less than the price of table? If the price of table is X% more than the price of chair, then price of chair is. So X 100 plus X is 100% less. So substituting 40 for X. So I'm having 40 by 100 into 100%. 40 into 100% divided by 140. Do the cancellation, that is 0 0 goes off. Then 2 sevens are 2 twos are, so it will be 20. And this will be 70, so 140 divided by 70 or 200 divided by 7, which is equals to 28.57. Now price of a chair is 28.57, less than the price of a table. So that was a given price and the value what we got out. I hope all the concepts are clear to one and all. No more doubts to anyone. Still, if you have any doubts or if you are not cleared with the terms, you may get connected and the things will be sorted out. That's all. If you have any doubts, you can communicate out and we'll be clearing out. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.